settling down, and we fixed it up a little bit here, did all these repair. So now with a ramp, handicapped people can finally get into the board over here really nicely. Before this was falling down, so we did a repair on all this on the phone for the city. So what we learned in ICPI class is, yeah, the repair and maintenance work to do. It's really important, and this is one of those jobs where we apply those strategies, those skills that we learned from ICPI class about doing repairs and maintenance on here. In this case, is for the City of Coos Bay Boardwalk. Nice, beautiful bay area.